I just had to let you know you're.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our learning video. First, let us introduce ourselves. I am Miss Denada. And I am Miss Andini. We are from English Education Class E 2024 at State University of Medan. Today, we will show you an educational application, namely Educaplay, that can be used for learning English activities. So, let's get started!
Now, I will show you how to sign up for Educaplay. First, open your browser and then type Educaplay in the search bar. After that, you can click the official website of Educaplay and then click Login button at the top right corner and then scroll down and log in with Google. You can choose your account Google that you want to use for Educaplay. And then for your last step, you must read this information and then check the box and sign up. Finally, your account is ready. But if you want to edit your information, you can click the profile button and then account setting. You can edit your profile, edit your first name, last name, and if you want, you change your email and change your password. That is how to sign up for Educaplay. Now, your account is ready and then you can create learning activities or educational games using Educaplay. Now, I will show you how to create game using Educaplay. First, click Create Game. And then, you choose one of game in this application. There are so many games, but I will choose Froggy Jumps. Now, we go on the first section, that is Create. In this Create, we can make questions. Click this. This is the first question. We can write the question in here. And then, because it's multiple choice, we must add answer. Answer A, answer B, and answer C. And then, don't forget to choose the correct answer. In my question, the correct answer is B, so I change this X mark with the check marks. The X mark means that is a wrong answer, and the check mark means that is the correct answer. And then, if you want to add another question, you click this. And then, this is a second question. You can repeat again, write the question here, and then the answer, answer A, answer B, and answer C, and then don't forget choose the correct answer. After you write all your question, we move to the next section, that is option. In this option, we can set a maximum number of errors and then set the time limit to answer each question and then how many questions that we have. Next is information. In this information, you can enter the title of the activity here and then enter here the description of the activity. After that, before you share this quiz with your students, you can preview first the quiz and then publish the quiz. That is the quiz that you have published. If you want to share with your students, you can click this icon and then copy this link. After that, you can share this link with your students and your students can answer the question.
Before starting the lesson, I would like to explain to you the IPO framework used in these learning activities. The IPO framework stands for Input, Process, and Outcome. This framework helps us understand the resources used in this learning, the activities during the lessons, and the result expected from the students after the learning process. In this learning activity, the input includes the teacher and the students, the learning materials about demonstrative pronouns, and also devices such as smartphone or a laptop with internet access. These are the main resources needed to support the learning process. In the process stage, the teacher explains the material about demonstrative pronouns and gives some examples. After that, students use Educaplay to do interactive quizzes or games. After that, students answer questions and join a short question and answer session with the teacher to strengthen their understanding. At the end of the lessons, students are expected to understand the meaning and differences of demonstrative pronouns. They are also able to identify and choose the correct pronouns based on singular, plural, near, and far objects. Finally, students can use demonstrative pronouns correctly in simple sentences. Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns that are used to point to the specific people, animals, places, or things. There are four common demonstrative pronouns in English. They are this, that, these, and those. Each demonstrative pronoun has a different function depending on distances and number. First, this is used for one object or thing that is near the speaker. Second, that is used for one object or thing that is far from the speaker. The third is this is used for more than one object and that is near the speaker. And the last one, those, is used for more than one object that is far from the speaker. Demonstrative pronouns are very important in daily communication because we use them very often when pointing the object around us.
First, students click the Start button to begin the game. After the game starts, students will read the question carefully, then choose or answer the question properly based on the instruction provided. If students choose the correct answer, the character can continue to the next question and the game keeps going. However, if students choose the wrong answer, the character will fall. After completing all the questions, students can see their final score.
That's all for our learning video. We hope this video can help students and teachers understanding how to use Educaplay in English learning activities.
Thank you so much for watching our learning video.
Keep learning and keep practicing your English skills, guys.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone.
I just had to let you know you're